Gantsilyo beginner lesson number 5. How to make double crochet or DC. Maligayang araw! Welcome back to Gantsilyo tutorials with me, Aling Maligaya. Today I will be teaching you how to make a double crochet stitch and how to count the rows. It is also a basic stitch sa paggagantsilyo na kailangan nating matutunan. Before tayo mag-proceed sa lesson, kailangan nating i-prepare ang yarn, at hook. Ang ginamit ko sa lesson na ito ay 3.5mm hook. Once na ready na ang ating mga materials, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa lesson at ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ang double crochet in slower version. Okay, let's start. First step, gagawa tayo ng slip knot na itinuro ko sa inyo sa ating lesson number 2. You can click the I button to watch the tutorial on how to make a slip knot. Ang next step na gagawin natin ay gagawa tayo ng foundation chain or chain stitches. Ang gagawin kong chain stitches dito sa ating tutorial ay foundation chain of 10 plus 2. You can click the I button to watch the in-depth tutorial of how to make a chain stitch or foundation chain. Once na meron na tayong 10 chain stitches, magdadagdag tayo ng dalawa pang chains. Para saan ba yung dalawang chain na yon? Yun ang itinatawag nating turning chain. After natin gumawa ng foundation chain of 10, magdadagdag tayo ng 2 more chains. Always remember na itong loop na nasa hook natin ay hindi counted as stitch. For step 3, yarn over and then skip the 2 turning chains and then insert the hook on the 3rd chain. Sa step 4, kailangan natin mag-yarn over and pull. Dapat meron tayong 3 loop sa ating hook. Step 5, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then, uulitin natin ng isa pang beses. Yarn over and pull through on both loops. Meron na tayong finish na double crochet stitch. And then now, gamit yung 5 steps, uulitin natin kung paano gumawa ng double crochet. Yarn over and insert ko yung hook do sa next stitch. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through on both loops, then once again yarn over and pull through on both loops, and then meron na tayong second double crochet stitch. Kailangan lang nating ulit-ulitin yung process ng paggawa ng single crochet hanggang makarating tayo sa dulo ng row. And then the next part of this tutorial will be how to finish off the row and then how to make a new row. For the last part of this row, gagawin natin yung pinaka last double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again, and then yarn over, pull through on both loops, yarn over and pull through on both loops again. That's the last double crochet for our row. At ganito ang itsura ng double crochet stitches for our very first row. And para sa next part of our lesson, gagawa na tayo ng panibagong row by chaining 2, and then we're going to turn our work, and then doon sa pinakaunang stitch from our previous row, gagawa tayo ng double crochet. Now, yarn over and insert your hook doon sa dalawang loop or doon sa first double crochet. Next is yarn over and pull. Dapat meron tayong tatlong loop sa ating hook. Yarn over and then pull through on both loops, and then yarn over, pull through on both loops. Meron na tayong first double crochet. Uulit-ulitin lang natin yung paggawa hanggang makarating tayo sa dulo ng rows. Yarn over, insert your hook sa next stitch, and then yarn over again, then yarn over, pull through on both loops, yarn over and pull through on both loops. Now, meron na tayong dalawang double crochet stitch. Nagawa ko na yung mga few stitches sa ating second row at ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano natin tatapusin yung second row. Doon sa turning chain natin from our previous row, doon tayo gagawa ng last double crochet stitch. Yung pinakaunang V stitch na makikita nyo, doon kayo gagawa ng double crochet. Okay, flip ko lang itong ating piece. Tapos doon sa pinakaunang V na nakita ko, gagawa ako ng double crochet stitch. Yarn over, then insert the hook, then yarn over again, pull through. Dapat meron tayong tatlong loops, and then yarn over, pull through on both loops, yarn over, and pull through on both loops again. Natapos na natin gawin ang ating second row of double crochet. The next part of our lesson ay tuturuan ko kung paano magbilang ng stitches and rows. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa part ng lesson kung saan tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magbilang ng rows and ng stitches. Dito sa swatch sample natin, i-identify muna natin kung alin yung mga stitches at kung ilan ito. Lahat ng mga post o yung mga nakatayong stitches, yun ay ang double crochet. Kung bibilangin natin lahat ng post, meron tayong makukuhang 11 post or 11 double crochet. Now, proceed naman tayo kung paano magbilang ng rows. Ito super easy. Each set of 11 double crochets ay considered as row. So, meron tayong 5 sets of 11 double crochets, kaya ang bilang ng rows natin sa swatch na ito ay 5 rows. For the summary of this swatch, meron tayong 11 double crochet stitch count per row and 5 rows. That's the end of our lesson today. I hope na marami kayong natutunan at lagi nyong practicein ang stitches para ma-train ang mga muscle nyo sa kamay. Gusto ko ring makita yung progress nyo. Pwede nyo akong i-message sa aking FB page or sa Instagram account. And that's all for today. Yun lamang po para sa araw na ito. Salamat po sa panonood. Thank you for watching. See you again on our next video. Bye!